Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. November 15, 2025, Saturday Racing. Ngayong araw ng Sabado, meron tayong 9 races dito sa Philippine Jockey Club. Starting time ng karera 2 PM, alas 2 ng hapon. Pagkatapos ng dalawang araw, Miyerkules at Friday kanina o ngayon, katatapos lang na pawang 1,200, yung mas maiksing distansyang yon. Ngayon naman ay all 9 races to be run in 1,400 meter distance. Ngayong araw ng Sabado, kaganapin ang Pearl Anniversary Celebration 30th ika-30 Marho Breeders Championship. Let's begin ang ating pong mga cool choices. Umpisa na po natin sa race number 1. First winner take all covers races 1 to 7. Marho Andox Lechon Baka Trophy Race, sponsored by Andox Lechon Corporation. Dito sa race 1, ang ating pong cool first choice, nabatak na sa nakaraang pagsegundo kay Desirable. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 5, Puting Kabayo, Muni Maniman. Cool second choice, number 8, Fearless. At meron po tayong cool third choice for a surprise win, number 7, Mr. Bon. Race 2. First Pick 5 covers races 2 hanggang race 6. Ito naman ang Marho Andox Doquito Prito Trophy Race. Sponsored pa rin ng Andox Lechon Corporation. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 3, Sabawani. Cool second choice, number 4, Ellis Star. Race 3, second winner take all naman ang umpisahan dito, covering races 3 hanggang 9. Marho Andox Doki Bab Trophy Race, still sponsored by Andox Lechon Corporation. Talagang maraming races ngayong araw ng Sabado ay handog ng Andox. Dito sa race 3, ang ating pong cool first choice, couple then 3, 5, Beatrice, 5A, Desirable. Cool second choice, number 2, High Quality. At cool third choice, number 6, Amaranth. Dumako naman tayo ngayon sa race 4. Pick 6 covers races 4 to 9. Ito lang ang tanging pick 6. Dito sa race 4, Andox Lechon Bangus Trophy Race. Sponsored pa rin ng Andox Lechon Corporation. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 6, Blame the Ghost. Cool second choice, number 2, Don Pedro. At cool third choice, number 1, Rule the World. Punta tayo sa race 5. Second pick 5 naman covers races 5 to 9. At for the first time sa Philippine Jockey Club, meron pong Super 6 event. Itong race 5, ang aking pong paboritong event. Andox Chicken a la Bone Trophy Race. Sponsored pa rin ng Andox Litchon Corporation. Dito sa race 5, ang ating pong cool first choice number 3, Stan in Faith. Cool second choice number 12, Freedom Lover. At cool third choice number 8, Espaghetting Pababa. Tumako tayo ngayon sa likod ng programa. Race 6, Pick 4 covers races 6 hanggang 9. Andox, Lechon Manok. Trophy Race. Ito na yung original, no? Lechon Manok. Andox, Lechon Corporation pa rin ang may sponsor. Ang ating pong cool first choice, Copolden 3, 2, Misha, 2A, Clairvoyant. Cool second choice, number 6, Biglang Buhos. Race 7. Meron din po itong Super 6 event. Itong Race 7 dahil marami din ang entries. Katulad ng Race 5. Ito naman ang Manila Horsepower Organization Trophy Race. Sponsored ng Manila Horsepower Organization Incorporated. Ang ating pong cool first choice number 9, Victorious Babylin. Cool second choice number 5, Bid for Fame. Race 8, Marho Andox Dokito Burger Trophy Race. Sponsored pa rin ng Andox Lechon Corporation. Dito sa Race 8, ang ating pong cool first choice number 7, Boss 1. Cool second choice number 5, Danish Sun. At cool third choice number 4, Dreams of the World. Last race, Race 9, paratingan ng second winner take all. Dito sa Race 9, ang ating pong cool first choice number 2, Leviathan. Medyo wala pong medyo matagal pong layoff, nagpahinga, nagbakasyon. Sa aking pong assessment, mas maganda ang kondisyon ngayon dahil sa pahinga. Ang ating pong cool second choice number 1, Street Queen. At cool third choice number 4, Surplus Boy. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!